Okay, we'll try this one more time. I was trying to come out here and go to the garden. Ah, Bankster. And it's just started pouring. So the trick is, I have to go out there where it's extremely muddy. So how do you do it without tracking mud in? Your Walmart bags. Tie them around your feet. I know it looks silly, but it works. So now I can walk right across mud. And it won't stick to me because it won't stick to the plastic. And I can go out in the garden where it's extremely muddy and pick my veggies. So you can tell we got a lot of rain, which is a good thing. We need it. And really, the lettuce is getting to the point where I need to be doing it. Look how big the tomatoes are getting. Getting huge. Squash popped up. Sunflowers getting ready to produce. So right now I just want to grab some peppers for breakfast. So one jalapeno. Two jalapeno. That's plenty for, oh, there's a nice one. That's plenty. Don't need any hotter than that. And then let's look for a nice sized green pepper. Oh, there's a beauty. Look at that. So you see how they're getting bigger now? Because they're actually growing faster and I can harvest them, which is a good thing. Kind of pull the weeds out when it's muddy, and it's easier to get the roots. Otherwise, you got to pull them again, like that one. So, everything's doing really well. Not going to spend too much time out here. It's going to start raining again. But here you can see how thick this mud is, and I'm mud free. I'm going to try to pick some lettuce. So I'll sink in, but it won't stick. So even though I don't have, I'll have to set that down there. I don't have my knife on me. Well, I do have one, it's right there. I don't really need it though. I can harvest some lettuce here and have that alongside with breakfast. Get that out of there. Woo-wee. There we go. Grab my hand off. There, bunch of lettuce. So I got a lot of, that's tomatoes starting to grow there. Now even though you'll be able to see how far I sunk in into the mud, I'm still mud free. So that's the little hillbilly hack. We'll go out to the garden when it's extremely muddy and not they come out with really muddy shoes. Later on today, if I get the chance, I'll check my trail cam, see what it caught while we were gone. And then also I'm going to do a live stream on my Mac Beans Farms and Prepping. I'll come back up to the deck where Banks is going, hey, I was waiting for you. There's Bankster. They're a pretty cat. It's like, how dare you?